This video is explaining hole callouts, and what I have is a counter bored hole over here, and when I made this I did not use the hole wizard, so I just have a circle that's cut and a circle that's cut, and I put a couple of dimensions on it over here so I can see what I'm doing when I actually do the hole callout. So I'm going to go to Smart Dimension, and I'm going to dimension the outside one right here. And the properties will show up over here on the left slider. And I'm going to come over here to Dimension Text. I'm going to put my cursor right in the front, and I'm going to add a diameter symbol, and I'm going to add an 8, and then I'm going to write through. I'm going to hit enter so it'll drop the next one down. And the diameter 16 is my counter bore, so I'm going to come down here and pick the counter bore symbol, and it puts that in. Now I'm going to go to the end of the 16 up there, or I could actually hit another enter, and I'm going to put the depth symbol in down here on the left. So the depth symbol, and the depth symbol is, or the depth is 4. And I can come back up and hit the check mark, and now that hole callout is complete for this counter bore. In my other sheet over here, I have a similar situation, but in this model I have used the hole wizard to make this counter bore. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to go up, instead of Smart Dimension, I'm going to go to Model Items, and inside of the Model Items I have a hole callout feature. So I'm going to make sure it's highlighted, hit the check mark, and it comes in over here. I'm just going to go ahead and grab that and move it up where we can see it. So now all my information is there from my model. I have a diameter 0.66 that's through all, and my counter bore is a diameter 14.55 with a depth of 0.438. So it's a lot easier to dimension this if I have used the hole callout, or if I've used the hole wizard in my model. Then I just need to import the information instead of hand typing it all.